Okay, we have a Fanuc Robodrill CNC machine, model A21iEL. This machine was new in 2006. It has a 4th-Axis rotary table on it. It also has coolant through spindle. We're gonna run it for you. Machine has the 24,000 RPM spindle option. Right now it's running at 2,500 RPM. You can't even hear it. It's a 21 tool automatic tool changer turret. And that rotary table is a Sudocoma RN150R, which is 6 inches in size. That's 5,000 RPM. 8,000 RPM. That's 14,000 RPM. Let's do a tool change. Do we get another one? Great. That's your Z-axis. All right, that's your X. Your Y. And your B. I'm going to get you the serial number. Serial number of the machine is P063VH574. Again, this machine was new in 2006. Hey, thank you for watching our video.